Yeah, here we have an ENCO 13-inch by 40-inch lathe. It's 230-volt single phase. It is used, and we have it powered up. However, the motor does not run on it. We tested a coolant pump that does operate. It includes a 2-axis digital readout system. We'll show you that in a second here, but when we go to press the button, all you hear is humming from the motor. So we're assuming that the motor is defective in some way. It could be a winding, it could be capacitors. We don't know. Alright, so forward, reverse. The headstock, everything spins fine on here, but there's limited testing that we did to it. May have some other issues, and we're not quite sure. The tail, the tool holder is missing on here. Got one handle for the cross slide, that's missing. Okay, and then we have your steady rest, that's missing a bolt. One of the pins fell out. There's your follow rest, we're missing the bolts for that. That goes right here. Okay, now we checked most of the other functions on here. This goes forward and backwards. The apron. It looks like somebody had stuck a bolt through here, so the pin's missing for that. It has a few issues. Just needs a good cleaning. Got some of the paint came off of the backsplash there. So a couple loose nuts and bolts on it. Getting back to the digital readout here, this does operate, so the scales operate fine. As I turn the cross slide right here, it operates also. Okay, the drip pan was taken off, and a lot of the hardware to put the thing back together is missing. We don't have any, so we can't put that back together. Tailstock seems to be okay on here. They retrofitted this bar on here, you can see. That's to hold the tailstock down. It's got some couple little scratches, paint scratches, maybe a few little tiny dings here and there, nothing major. So all the electrics and most of the mechanical aspects of the machine operate, except for the motor, of course. There's lots of metal shavings on the inside of the gearbox cover here. We cleaned everything off, but it'll probably need an extensive cleaning on this machine. Like I said, we checked most of the components that we can turn by hand. Everything seems to be operating okay. There's no lathe chucks with it. No other accessories are included. What you see is what you get. So there you have it, the ENCO 13 by 40 lathe.